Hi, everyone. Today we're going to walk you through connecting MailerLite to Google Analytics. If you're new to MailerLite, you can find a free trial link in the description. For current users, just log in and follow along with us. First, you need to create a Zapier account, which we'll use to connect MailerLite with Google Analytics. On the Zapier dashboard, click on Create and select Zaps. If needed, use the Copilot for assistance. Choose both MailerLite and Google Analytics from the list, then enter all the required details on the right-hand side. To connect your MailerLite account, click Sign In and connect your MailerLite account. Repeat the process to sign in to your Google Analytics account. After configuring all your settings, click Continue. Once everything is set up, click Publish and you're all done. And I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generate $3,493 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Thank you for watching our videos.